Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Unleashed podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real-life stories. I'm Leo, and I'm so happy you're here with me today, whether you're listening at home, on the bus, or on your way to work. Before we jump in, a quick reminder. If you enjoy these episodes, make sure to follow the podcast, leave a rating, and share it with friends who want to improve their English too. It really helps. All right, today I have some funny stories for you, all about bad days, silly mistakes, and unexpected moments that we can all relate to. Let's get into it. My morning actually started quite well. I woke up early, made myself a hot, fresh cup of coffee, and put on my favorite white shirt. You know, the shirt you wear when you want to feel smart and confident. But then, splash! My hand slipped. The coffee flew everywhere. On the floor, on the table, and right on my perfect white shirt. A big brown stain. Right in the middle. I looked at the time. I was already late. So I rushed to my wardrobe, grabbed the first shirt I saw, a blue one, but of course, it wasn't ironed. It looked like a crumpled piece of paper. Still, I threw it on and ran to the bus. When I got to work, things got even funnier. Everyone was standing outside the building. No fire drill, no emergency. The office door was simply locked. The person with the key? He was there too. He had forgotten the key at home. So 20 of us were standing on the street for 30 minutes, including me, in my wrinkled shirt. A great start to the day. A few days earlier, something funny happened at my workplace. One of my colleagues, let's call her Lisa, loves baking. She brought in a beautiful lemon cake. It looked soft, fluffy, perfect. We all took big bites, and suddenly, salty. Very, very salty. Turns out Lisa accidentally used salt instead of sugar. Cups of salt. Imagine expecting a sweet lemon cake and getting pure salt. But we didn't want to hurt her feelings, so we all chewed slowly, smiled, and swallowed. Our eyes were watering, but we tried to act polite. Later, when Lisa tasted it herself, she screamed, "No, don't eat it!" And then we all burst into laughter. Mistakes happen, and sometimes they're deliciously terrible. Speaking of mistakes, ever used a shopping cart with a broken wheel? I went to the supermarket, grabbed a cart, and the wheel started making the loudest noise you can imagine. Squeak, squeak, squeak. It sounded like I was driving a tractor inside the store. People turned their heads, stared at me, followed the noise. I wanted to disappear. I tried pushing it slowly. Squeak! Fast. Squeak! No escape. I rushed through my shopping like I was in a race and left as fast as possible. But hey, it's funny now. With all these funny moments, I still wanted to relax on the weekend. I'm planning a barbecue with some friends, and I have one friend, Dave, who is always late. Last time we asked him where he was, and he said, "Leaving now. I'll be there in 10 minutes. He arrived 3 hours later. By that time, the grill was cold and the food was gone. Poor Dave ended up eating potato chips. So this time I told him the barbecue starts at 11 a.m. It actually starts at 1 p.m., but he doesn't need to know that. Telling these stories always reminds me of something important. Life isn't perfect, and that's what makes it fun. We spill coffee. We forget keys. We eat salty cake. We embarrass ourselves in supermarkets. And these moments become the best stories later. Plus, they're great for practicing English. Your turn. Before we end today's episode, I have a question for you. What is a funny mistake you made recently? Did you forget something? Drop something? Say something silly? Spill something? Share your story. It's great practice, and I'd love to read it. Thank you so much for listening to English Unleashed. I hope your week is wonderful, full of learning, happiness, and maybe a few funny moments too. Take care, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next episode.